Chalo, starting the day the healthy way. Now I can tell you, like, this is kind of my product only, like I'm associated with that product, and that's why I was using it beforehand. Like, I have finished 2 packs of this. I used this for like 2 months just to test, and I'm gonna use all the products before like pitching out to my friends, and that's the good thing, right? Yeah. Okay, so it's mixed properly, and now let's. And it's ready. ये खाने के बाद we'll hit the gym. Enjoying the breakfast with this view. And लहसुन भी उग रहा है. Nice. चलो, protein intake ले लिया है, तो now it's time to go to hit the gym. And what's the plan for the day? There's no plan cause I have lecture from 4 to 8 technically, but it's like 4 to 6, 6:30 तक हो जाता है. I have a project to do. We'll do in lecture. And then I'll start with the course today cause I don't have any shifts. So I'll try to finish it in one day. 4 घंटे का है, and then I'll do labs. Let's see. I'll keep you guys posted. मैं जल्दी उठ गया हूँ, like it's 9 a.m. 10 बजे के पहले I have to shower. Like I have to start my day before 10 a.m. I have made this rule nowadays, so it's good. वरना फिर आलस हो जाती है. So चलो. I was in the gym middle of a workout. Just एक warm up ही किया था, and then I was like, okay, I'll record later. I'll just finish some things, and then मेरे को reminder आया कि I have a meet scheduled with one of my connections. तो मैं भी घर पे हूँ फटाफट. I'm just waiting for him to join. Chalo, let's join. Like as soon as Tony mentioned, I have 2 things. Like cybersecurity is my first love, so it's good to give back to the community. Okay, so meet went well, and there's an exciting update coming soon, but no jinxing, right? होने के बाद मैं बताऊँगा. And Ayush came in like today is career fair. मेरे को पता ही नहीं है भाई कॉलेज में कब क्या हो रहा है, but good that I have no things to do today. So again you'll see me in the formals, and like I did today wear a different shirt today, but jacket वही होगा. So let's go, let's freshen up and let's start the day. Gym मेरा आधा ही रह गया, but it's all right. कल we'll put extra hours. So let's get ready, and like Ayush is making dhoklas or dosas or something सुबह. So let's see what's happening, and then let's have breakfast. पहले नहा लेता हूँ कि पहले खाओ. We'll take a call. प्लान में थोड़ा चेंज है गाइस. I thought career fair is like networking वाला career fair है, but it's like rec का career fair. There is internal career fair in our Simon Rec. Simon Rec में openings है for students like Ayush and Neha Brinda. So yeah, like come with us, refer us. तो साथ में रहेगा तो थोड़ा सा ये रहेगा. Like एक edge मिलेगा उनको, right? Cause I already work there. So I was like, okay, but let me go change cause I look fool if I go in formals, and I'm not applying for any job cause I already have a job. So let's go home. चेंज पोपट हो गया सुबह यार. क्योंकि हमारा एक करियर फेयर 4 मार्च को है, तो मैं पूछे करियर फेयर 4 मार्च को नहीं था. इसलिए यहाँ जाए देयर वाज अ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. थिंग्स लाइक दिस हैपन. आई वाज एक्साइटेड टू मीट पीपल नेटवर्किंग, बट चलो ऑन कैंपस कैसा होता है वो भी मैं बताता हूँ आपको. आई ट्राई टू कवर इट एंड लिविंग फाइनली. दिस इज द story. That's Sam. That's it. Gary is another manager. So yeah. So there's the Ayush. उसका इंटरव्यू चल रहा है. He's Brena. And मैंने Sam को बोला like I want to refer him. He's my friend, come roommate, come everything. So and we met Brena before coming here. So I think we'll get a positive news. Let's see. You're smiling. He's smiling. For like different positions. Now I have applied for 2 different other positions. Like all of the managers knows me. They're like, yeah, let's just remember his name cause it's good to refer, right? That's the power of referral. That's why I focus on networking, because one referral can land you a position here in the US. So okay, starting with the course, finally came back. Chalo 2 घंटे में lecture भी है. Okay, so I have left for the lecture. एक ही व्लॉग में कितने कपड़े बदली कर लिए मैंने. सुबह में नाइट सूट में था. I went to gym. I changed to formals, then I changed to casuals, and then I realized that I have lecture, and like that clothes they were like too much warm. वो हुडी बहुत गर्म है. I was like lecture में वैसे हीटर ऑन होता है, so I just wore this high neck. So crazy. I started the course, finished like 1 hour का thing cause थोड़ा सा difficult topic है. तो I was researching about it in the background. I was like क्या ही record करूँ. I'll record while going to the lecture. So चलो lecture में जाते हैं. I have a 100 marks का project this week. So we'll finish that. It will take I guess 30-40 minutes, not more than that. And then we'll listen to the lecture. Sir क्या बोल रहे हैं? This week is about dark web, I guess. Those who guys don't know what the dark web is, I'll let you know after I come back from the lecture. तो हमारा lecture will be like कौन से गुफा में रखा है underground, but it's right in front of Coronado. So it's good, like 5 minutes long. It's like almost 2 minutes बाकी lecture के लिए. तो चलो. Here I go.
Study also my motivation.
Okay, done with the lecture. And lecture में आज presentation हुआ हमारा. We didn't knew this, but it went well. फटाफट हमने presentation बनाया. So we were the first group. Like we were group number 2, but मैंने बोला like we'll go first. And then we set the bar high. And the लोगों ने presentation भी नहीं बनाया था. I was like बिना presentation के तुम बिना PPT के how you guys will present, right? So last moment उसको बना रहे थे and we were done. And professor was happy, so that's good. Chalo, and I'm damn hungry now, so let's go home. And then I guess we are gonna go play pickleball. Raj का message आया था, so you'll see that in the vlog. Just realized I haven't edited today's vlog yet, so मैंने भी बीमार लगता हूँ इसमें यार. तो I'll edit vlog, I'll eat something and then upload करके and go to rec finally again. I had no shifts today, but good. Finished the project. Let's have dal chawal बचे थे कल के थोड़े से. And we'll cook fresh food for the night. दाल मस्त बनाई है इसमें. गोर वाली दाल बनाई है पहली बार. लाइक पहले हम पे गुड़ नहीं था. मीठी दाल. Feels like a awesome. इतना दाल इसको. चलो let's have with some chips. Okay, just uploading today's like ये Saturday का vlog है. One day before the swim test. It's almost 7:16 and then I'll just ये upload होने के बाद 8 मिनट के बाद I'll just go to rec to play pickleball. Raj and वो लोग आ रहे हैं. चलो next. Going for pickleball. Oh my god, this is my 5th outfit for the day. So the विराट वाले जर्सी start किया था, formals, casuals, red वाला. This is the 5th outfit. Oh my god, crazy. It's cold, it's windy, and camera की foggy हो रहा है. So I just call Raj, वो आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, इसलिए आ रहा हूँ, आलस कर रहा वाला. भाई आ फटाफट यार, क्या टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. टाइम देख, I hate when people don't show up on time. Time is money, everything is time guys. If you have committed someone कि like ये टाइम पे मैं आऊँगा तो वो टाइम से 5 मिनट पहले जल्दी आ जाओ या टाइम पे आओ. That's bare minimum. लेट करोगे तो नहीं मज़ा आता है. At least I don't like that. Show up on time guys. Chalo, let's play. And I guess we are not gonna cook very much heavy tonight. We have planned what we are gonna cook, but वो आगे पता चलेगा vlog में आपको. And signal लगा हुआ है तो मैं जरा भागता हूँ. Frozen pond is getting थोड़ा frozen है. देखा शाम को 1-2 दिन में frozen हो जाएगा. Then we'll walk again on this. Okay, done with the pickleball and oh my god. And then I met some new friends. His name was Danny from US. He bought his own pickleball bats and oh my god, उसका bat हो क्या crazy थे. And then I just stopped recording because I don't like to record when there are so many people around. You don't know, right? Somebody's comfortable or not. Then I stopped it. We played almost मैं 1 घंटे के लिए आया था, but we played 1.5 घंटा. Oh my god. And see what I found. Mr. Rabbi is here. And Mr. Rabbi is there. मेकिंग कड़ी खिचड़ी टुडे. नॉर्मल लाइट खाना. चलो कड़ी क्या बोल रहा हूँ, खिचड़ी पक रही है. तब तक नाउ लेट्स मेक कड़ी. कड़ी बनाने के लिए आपको चाहिए दही. दही में डालना है बेसन, पानी नहीं डालना है. हियर द कैच. बेसन के लोब्स बन जाएंगे. सो बेसन दही में ही डाल देना है आपको. आई गेस 3 चमचा वुड बी इनफ, राइट? 4 डाल देता हूँ. चलो क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, बस इतना ज़्यादा है. नाउ विल मिक्स इट प्रॉपरली अच्छे से. एंड नाउ इट्स कंसिस्टेंट. इसमें डालेंगे हल्का हल्का पानी कि इसका छाछ टाइप बन जाए. चलो इट्स टाइम टू डू द बर्तन. दैट इज इट टुडे गाइस. आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद होगा, पसंद तो लाइक करो, चैनल पर नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब करो, एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन. एंड देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय. क्रेजी आज 5 आउटफिट चेंज कर दिया. दिस व्लॉग इज गोना अबाउट दैट ओनली. बाकी तो कुछ खास हुआ नहीं. एंड देन हमारा जो लेक्चर था, इट वाज द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑफ द लाइक, वो सब्जेक्ट खत्म हो गया. अगला हफ्ता लाइक वी हैव अ फाइनल रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट जो मैं सबमिट करूँगा घर से ही. सो नो लेक्चर्स नेक्स्ट वीक. एंड देन वी हैव अ स्प्रिंग ब्रेक. स्प्रिंग ब्रेक के बाद नया सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट होगा. सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. Chalo, will keep you posted. Until then, take care. Bye bye. And thank you so much for watching.